Look at him, he's so cute. He's so cute, yes, he's so cute. He's my baby.
Hi guys, yeah, as you can see, I'm on my own this time. In our last suggested challenges video, we got a lot of requests to do another sneezing challenge. Moreover, for me to do another sneezing challenge since I was the only one that was able to actually sneeze. So this is our extended sneezing challenge video. And I'm going to see how many times I can sneeze in 7 minutes. I had requests to do 10 minutes, I had requests to do 5, so I found the midway. So 7. Yeah, we'll see. Why can I not find the timer on this? Oh, okay. I found it. Set. 7. Okay. Play. Okay. Let's see. I hope I sneeze this time. Can you imagine just sneezing? I hope I sneeze. Okay. Get this in there. Okay. I just realized these tissues are scented. Probably gonna smell tissues for a week. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow. New. I would be able to sneeze, make myself sneeze that many times. Okay. Ew. Ew. Could it be that the tissue is dissolving? I hate seasick. God damn it. Yeah. Actually, 1 minute and a half left. No more? Ugh. Please make it over. 20 seconds left. Come on. No more. No more. Guess not. I have no comment. I officially hate sneezing. Okay, yeah. I guess that's how many times I can make myself sneeze in 7 minutes. More than I expected, I must say. I really enjoyed it. I mean, I don't particularly enjoy sneezing, but you know, usually I sneeze in the worst moments. Why? Why? But this was for you guys. So, any more suggestions? Leave a comment down below or inbox me on our channel. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. My God, fucking fat fuck. Stay, for goodness. Ah! This is my baby. Yeah, he's my baby. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.